Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Uh, today's date is uh, today's date is 18 Feb 2022. Today's Viva topic name is string in Java. In Java programming language, string is a very important part of programming. String is used in a Java programming. So firstly, we are discuss what is string. In Java programming language, string is a sequence of characters. For example, hello world in double quote. The characters are included in H, E, L, L, O. It is combined and it is word hello. The hello word are the string is also used in double quote. Then hello word are included in double quote. The interface are denoted in java.util.string class. It is used in Java programming. The string sequence is implements string implements in programming. The the three ways are string are used in main class. First one is a string, second one is a string buffer, and third one is a string builder. The string is also used in string constant pool uh, in heap area for string constant pool. The string is used in a various types. The string are divided into mainly two parts. First one is a string literal, and second one is a by using new keyword. The string literal is a used in programming for it is denoted by in double quote. The syntax of string literal string s1 is equal to double quote for any word in string. Then double quote complete semicolon. Whenever we can create the string literal, then it checks the string constant pool in programming. The string constant pool are checking the you can create the string in programming. Then second one is a by using new keyword. The second way is a string by using new keyword. The new keyword can create the new string in sorted into the heap memory of programming language. The by using new keyword, these concepts are used in string in programming language. Then that's all about string. That's all about types of string. Then we discuss about various types of methods are used in string. First one is a char, caret. The caret method are used in string to sequence of character in Java programming. The second one is a interlength method. The interlength method are returns the length of string in programming language. Then string compare method. The string compare method are compared to for example string s1, string s2. It is compared to string s1 and s2 is equal or not. Then equal to method. The equal to method, for example, we can create two strings. First one is a ABCD and second one is a ABCD. Then two strings are equal. Then strings are the equal string are used to string is equal or not in programming. Then fourth one is a two uppercase method. The uppercase method are convert the uppercase method. It returns the string into the uppercase in programming. The string lowercase method. The string lowercase method are also used in string are converted into uppercase in programming. Then in index of method. The index of method are returns the index of the index value in programming. The only int index method are returns the index value in programming. Then last one is a stream method. The stream methods are used in programming. It is used for the remove spaces in string to start to end in programming. That's all about string methods, and that's all about today's topic, string in Java. Thank you.